I'm sure all of you will be waiting to hear to the result of the school cabinet elections 21-22. The contestants all the contestants were equally capable. All of them have done their role very well in campaigning and projecting their symbol and to talk about them. But it is always an election. One has to win and one has to lose. But then still, you are all leaders. And I always believe leaders aren't born. They are made just like anything else through hard work. And that is the price we will have to pay to achieve that goal or any goal. So here goes the results of 21-22 elections. So here are the results of junior cabinet members. First, I will announce the sports captains who won this election from the junior side. It is Jitin P. Manoj. He won with a margin of 6 votes. So those who have, did not perform as Jitin during these elections don't have to worry. It is just a margin of 6 votes. Then from the girls' side, it is Shreya S. Nair. She has polled 141 votes with a margin of 38 votes. So congratulations to Jitin P. Manoj and Shreya S., the sports captains. Now the junior leaders, those who are selected are Devakrishna P. Manoj and Tejasvi Abhilash. Devakrishna has won with a margin of 15 votes. Total vote what he gets is 113 and Tejasvi gets total votes 123. She wins with a margin of 17 votes. So congratulations to Devakrishna, Tejasvi, Jitin and Shreya once again. So now going on to the senior cabinet members. It is sports captains. Those who are elected as sports captains are Alex Joby and Nandana Satish. Alex Joby won 574 votes and Nandana Satish with 647 votes. Now, those who have been selected as leader for the cultural activities for this academic year, it is Job Paul and Alfina Charlie. Job Paul is 536 votes and Alfina Charlie with 360 votes. Congratulations to these two also. Now, the assistant assistant captains of the school are Arjun P. Sajeev and Devika P. Dinesh. Arjun P. Sajeev with 463 votes and Devika P. Dinesh with 336 points. So they are the assistant captains. Now, school leaders are those who are selected as school leaders. Vishnupriya PK with 500 votes and Chinmay VS with 393 votes. Congratulations to all those who have been elected to the senior cabinet. Once again, I repeat, school heads Vishnupriya PK and Chinmay VS. Assistant leaders Arjun P. Sajeev and Devika P. Dinesh. Those who are elected as the leaders for cultural activities, it is Job Paul and Alfina Charlie. Sports captains are Alex Joy and Nandana Satish. Congratulations once again to all the winners and those who gave them the tough fight also. There are a lot of opportunities waiting for them also to perform in this academic year. All the best to all the young leaders.